guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have May's Globein box in this big old box. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so May's Globein box just arrived and I'm totally thrown off by the size of this. This reminds me of when I would have all my add-ons when I was getting the subscription and the big boxes that I would receive. This particular monthly subscription was sent to me for review. So thank you so much, Globein, for sending me this amazing box. I do have a code, SheCrafty, that gets you 50% off your first box of any 3-month or more prepaid subscription. And I'll link everything down below. But let's go ahead and dive in. Let's get into this. And then at the end, I'll tell you a little bit more about Globein. I'm so excited. They had so many different themes to choose from. I know I said that last month, but this month was just about the same. And I was still torn between like 2 or 3 different ones. And then I went ahead and just went with this particular theme. So they have their main theme for the month, but if that's the one that you do, if you don't really care for that one, you can check out any other theme and choose any theme you would like. That's one thing I really do like about this subscription, because you're not just getting the normal monthly box and you're stuck with it if you like it or not. If you don't like the monthly, you can change it to any other theme that they have available. So let's go ahead and get in here. Here is the little booklet. There's some tissue paper. Heavy duty sunlight. I don't know what in the world that is, but that looks like somebody's trash that ended up in my box. It says heavy duty sunlight. I don't know what was in there, but let's go ahead and throw that out. Okay, so we have, ooh, all right. This is a little heavy. Hold on. There's this box that's in here. Is there anything else in here? Yep. Oh boy. There's little pieces all up in here. Oop, here's some more. Yeah, I think all the packing material in here, they recycle. So I think that's why I got somebody's trash. Because there's just some miscellaneous little random pieces in here. So that's really cool. It looks like they recycle their stuff and use it for packing materials. I think that's really cool that they recycle. Okay, so there's nothing left in the box. Everything is out here. So let's see what do we have. I'm super excited because it's one thing to look at something online, but then when you get it in your hands, it's sometimes completely different in a good and a bad way sometimes, but Globein has some really cool products. Okay, so now this box is completely packed as well. Definitely good packing. Holy moly, really good packing.
Oh my goodness, I don't know. There's so much packing. And the packing goes on. And the packing goes on. And it keeps on going on. Holy moly.
It is still filled with, it's still filled with packing, you guys. So if you guys didn't already know, they package their boxes really, really good. So what I chose was called the Bud box. And this is the Bud box. And I'm super excited. I got a llama, which is probably right here, llama. So let's see what this looks like. And with all the packing, I know this thing's not going to be broken. So that's amazing. Oh, and then there's the ears. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look how cute is that? And I'm going to put in some like artificial plants in here to put outside, because here in Florida, it's super hard to keep plants looking good because it's so hot and humid. But I do love me some artificial plants, and I'm definitely going to put some artificial plants in this. But this is like heavy duty. This is a really good size. Honestly, I thought it was going to be a lot smaller from the picture. So this is surprisingly really big and super detailed. Look at all of the little carvings, because this feels like it's like a plaster. and then everything is carved and etched inside. There's like a little, looks like a blanket or something wrapped around there. And there's a little tail in the bootay, and the little hoofs even have some detail to it. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. Okay, you guys, so there's a llama. I will have some greenery in mine, but mine's just gonna be artificial and it'll last forever. And this is a whitewashed terracotta llama planter, handmade in Bangladesh, I'm not quite sure, but that is where it was handmade from, that right there. And there is that, and it's gonna give us all kinds of information about what they make and what they do, which is awesome. This book is full of useful information. So then now we have a little item in here. Let's see what this is. I think there was like a plant marker, if I'm not mistaken, which we are building a garden so soon. Hopefully I will be having a lot of gardening going on. So I can definitely use this. I can probably write with a marker right here what it is and stick it down inside. This right here is the blue pottery herb marker. This was handmade in India. Yes, and see, like you can write, like that one they wrote oregano and stuck in there. So this is a marker that I can just write whatever, and the back side is all plain. This side is detailed, and it is finished, clear glaze, and it does have that really pretty blue. So I can use this as a decorative piece, or I can use this as a marker to say whatever I'm planting. So that's awesome. So there's that. Again, that's handmade in India. Now we have, let's see what's in here. Ooh, that's right. There's this little planter that you can hang on the wall and put a plant in. And of course, I'm already gonna put fake plants in this, but I will hang this outside. That color is absolutely gorgeous. It is like a turquoise teal color, which you guys know that's my favorite color. And see, I thought it was gonna be more blue because that's what it looks like in the picture, but this is more of a teal color. I love it so much better in person. So you just hang it up and you put your planter. You can put a real live plant, or you can put like an air plant or an artificial plant, which that's what I'm going to do, is probably put like an artificial succulent in there. Okay guys, so I just wanted to jump on real quick and show you what I did with these two. I just went ahead and put in these little artificial succulents inside of this that I'm going to hang up. And then the cutest, adorable llama, I put a few succulents in there, filled it with styrofoam, glued them in, and then added rocks on top. So it is nice and tight. It's all around, double-sided. And I think those are just simply adorable. I am super glad that they had this selection. I am in love with these. And then the last item in this box, you guys, is in here. Let's see what this one is. Okay, so let me remove the plastic. Ooh, I'm probably gonna hang this outside of my patio and put in like a solar or a battery operated timer battery light. But look how pretty. And again, this is actually bigger size than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be really, really small, but you can go ahead and turn this and you can put a tea light candle in there, or you can stick another candle. I got to find one that'll fit through the mouth of this. And I'm just going to put in like a battery operated candle and then hang this on my patio. But that is super, super cute. So everything that came in my theme, which I chose, which was the bud box, was this really pretty lantern. Oops. I guess I didn't turn that enough. Hold on. Let me put that in and turn it. There we go. And this was this is an indoor or outdoor tea light lantern garden party, handmade in India. So there's that again. So we have this. We have the wall planter that you can put anything in. We have a plant marker. And then the cutest thing ever is this llama plant, which I'm super excited to get that, and I can't wait to put plants in these and get these set out. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Thank you so much, Globein, for sending me yet another amazing monthly box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys want to know a little bit more about Globein, again, I do have my code SheCrafty, which will give you 50% off your first month's box. And then that's on any 3-month subscription or more prepaid. It doesn't go off of the monthly, but if you get at least a 3-month subscription, you can get 50% off your first month's box. So for the 1-month subscription, it's $40 per box. If you do a 3-month subscription, it brings it to $38. If you do a 6-month subscription, it brings it to $35. And if you go all out and do a whole 1-year subscription, it's $33 per box. And again, you can choose which box that is delivered to you. Their mission is to deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. We do business for good. We empower remarkable artisans in remote areas with the tools to build sustainable businesses. Providing conditions and guidance, we help our partners feel stronger, more confident, and in control of their lives through the expression of their craft. As servant leaders, we improve the lives of our artisans so they can take great care of themselves, their families, and their communities. We give to the world. We help our customers discover amazing goods in distant lands from the comfort of their home. Through our delightful, useful, and vibrant goods, we offer our customers the means to feel well-traveled and culturally experienced. For our artisans in the developing world, we give their business global reach as we connect them with customers to share their extraordinary creations and inspiring stories. So in that pamphlet, it does go over more information, like I was saying, so you can definitely read through the booklet. It gives you a lot of information in there. And yeah, so comment down below, let me know, do you get Globein? Have you ever got Globein? Are you interested in Globein? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world. Also, let me know, what did you think of this theme? I am totally loving this llama. Like, I can't get over this llama, and it's terracotta with all that detail. I'm just loving that. So there you go, you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty Crew, out.